Hey everyone, it's Marla. I'm here today to show you our new Hello Happy bag. I don't know if you've had a chance to check out the website ilovebigbags143.com, but 31 Gifts is offering for a limited time while supplies last a really cool new feature. It's called the Hello Happy bag. And what that is for $31 while supplies last, you can get a bag of goodies in here, and it's all a surprise. So you don't need to have a membership. You do not need to subscribe, but what you do need to do is get them quick. So each month they'll offer a special bag. Consultants, customers, nobody knows what's inside these bags, which is the greatest part. And when you get your bag, it'll be filled with goodies that are specific to the Hello Happy line. We will not be using products from our regular line. They're pulling them separate and special for you as a great surprise. So I have my bag here. I have not actually looked at it. I just cut the top open so we could take a look together for the very first time. I got mine from the August Hello Happy bag. There will be one for September coming out and so on. So let's take a look at what I got. So excited. I haven't even looked at it. So I got myself a receipt and a thank you. And they put in the new fall catalog. But let's see what's in this Hello Happy bag. So it looks like I'm seeing little owls. These are going to be so cool. It says, Hello Happy. Start each month with a heaping of happiness. Discover something amazing with every delivery and let each surprise encourage you to let your inner light shine. After all, it's what's inside that counts. And then on the other side is, if you can be anything, be kind. So here's a cute little card that they had with some inspiration on it. And all right, let's take a look. Oops, I'm moving my camera. Hold on. So here are the little owls. There's all different colors. This is like our timeless memory pouch style for the holidays, which is really neat. It's a great little pouch. I'm so excited to see what's inside. Hold on, maybe I should undo it. Okay, so we've got the pouch. And let's see what else. Pouch, pretty neat inside. And inside the pouch, we got a package. So let's see what we have in here. Let's do this one here. Ooh, I like this. I don't know exactly what they're calling this, but it is super, super perfect for when you're just going somewhere quick. Look at that. It is like a berry color little keychain wallet where you can put your ID here and a couple bucks or another card in there. And it snaps shut. So here's that guy right there. All right, let's look. What else do we have? Kindness is always beautiful. That's pretty. And opens up. Oh, okay. These are the bags. Okay, this is so cool. So we have these for the summer, and we have them for the holidays, where they roll up into a ball like this. And then you could put these inside your purse while you're traveling or at the grocery store. So you have a little bag ready to go. And then when you're done with this bag, you take this with you, throw this in your bigger purse, and you forgot a bag at the grocery store, because here in California, in our area, you have to pay for your bags. And then you're like, oh no, I shopped too much. You have an extra bag. This is really cool. I actually really like the fact that this one has a nice saying on here. It says, kindness is always beautiful. I think that is something we need to remember more of. And then let's see. And then we have one more item here. And what is it? And it's a matching key fob. As kindness is always beautiful. This is inside my Hello Happy bag. From what I understand, each and every one of you who ordered the August Hello Happy is getting the exact same surprise as I am. So if you have not opened your bag, I'm going to make sure to put a disclaimer in this. Again, I should have probably done it in the beginning, but here is all my Hello Happy goodness. I've got our extra bag that rolls up, cute little memory pouch, an awesome new key fob, and this is what I'm going to get so much more use out of because I love taking just a little bit with me when I go maybe to the football games with the kids or to cheer competitions. I don't need everything, so this one will be great. If you want to get your Hello Happy bag for this season, go ahead to ilovebigbags143.com and you are going to be able to see a section under the search tab that says Hello Happy, and while supplies last, you can get yours. We have a few left for the August, and September should be coming out shortly. See you later. Bye.